What's going on? All right, so another concept that we've actually already been doing, but want to make it more forefront and make it more clear, is this idea of printing out data. Printing out data is something that happens quite a bit when it comes to coding. Eventually, it's just going to come like second nature, but it's a concept. And so there are times where you just want to write something out. Maybe you want to figure out the value of something in your code. A lot of times people want to print things out because it helps you analyze your code to make sure that what you've written is actually working. And that process of analyzing your code and figuring out if it's working is what they call debugging. We'll get into that later on in our videos. And then another thing is sometimes you just literally want to show things to the people who are using your code, because sometimes you build it for other people. And we're going to be doing it kind of like in a simple way. There's different ways you can show data, but the most common way is what you've been seeing that I've been doing. It's like System.out.println, and then you follow this format. Again, this is how Java wants you to do it, and you put whatever you want in the double quotes, and then as you've seen when we run the code, it's going to put that out into what's called the console. But if you were, like, for example, running your code from the command line, we're not running it from the command line, but if you ran it from the command line, it would be printing it out to the command line. So it prints out kind of wherever you are, the System.out.println. Another way to do it is just to leave out the ln. With the ln, what it does, it prints, and then it moves to the next line automatically for you. Without the ln, it just prints. And then if you were to print again, like for example, if we use System.out.print without ln, it would actually just print on that same line. It wouldn't move to the next line. So usually you're going to want to use the one with the ln. I don't want to pull up code again because we've already been doing this, but I just wanted to make it clear that this is a concept, printing out data when you want to do it.